Not having a backyard is no excuse not to have a garden. Small spaces can host medicinal gardens. These 4 plants are a veritable medicine cabinet, giving you the ability to treat a host of problems. Most do well when planted in potting mix in a well-drained pot. Aloe. Aloe plants are well suited for indoor light. They like sun and well-drained soil. Water it when the soil is completely dry. Lemon balm. Hardy, strong. With a beautiful scent, lemon balm soothes anxiety and eases digestive troubles. Planted a sunny spot and well watered, it flourishes. Peppermint. Plant peppermint in a deep, well-draining container. Place the plant where it receives at least 4 hours of sun. Thyme. Thyme comes in many varieties, but all grow best in full sun and well-drained soil. Harvest the leaves as you need them, whether for cooking or colds.